Hi. So now that you know how to make a spreadsheet, you might not want to print it, but rather share it digitally. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You log in into your Gmail account and select this option for the Google Apps. In here, you'll scroll down and you can either do this on an Excel sheet or on a Google Doc. Because we did it in a Google Doc, I'm going to continue with this example. So we're going to select this. Once in here for you, you would have to create your own sheet from scratch. So just select this option and create a new document. I'll leave the link below so you can follow my previous video. So because I already have it made, I'm going to select the one I have. And in here, all you have to do is select the share button. For you, it might look a little different. Instead of saying anyone with the link for the general access, it might say restricted. So make sure you change it to this option. Once in here, change it to editor instead of viewer for the role. And make sure you select copy link. Now you can send it on an email, you can add it on a Facebook group, wherever you would like. And this is what it's going to look like for someone else. Once they go in, they'll be able to add their name and their phone number or whatever they want, and they don't need to save it. Once they close it, it'll automatically save all the information that they added. Thank you to Julie3165 for reaching out. I hope this was what you needed. If not, let me know in the comments. Thank you.